you're a realtor and you've been wanting to grow on Instagram, TikTok, anything video, social media basically, this is for you. Join me for my 90-day video intensive program where by the end of it, you'll be not only coming across truly authentically yourself, but you'll also be converting more leads and creating a momentum in your business that you never thought possible. So who am I and why do I want to help? Why should you even trust what I'm saying? My name is Jenny Aldretti. I'm a former teacher, I'm a former coach, and I'm with Lux Mortgage Team out of Texas. And in 2 years, we were able to take our business from 20 million in personal production to 100 million just using social media. And when I joined my husband, I had no experience whatsoever. So if I can do it, you can do it too. So why do we do this? What's in it for us? What's in it for you? Obviously, we want to create more relationships with realtors. This is our growth model. We are able to come to it from authenticity and we're able to establish real relationships. And what's in it for you is that you get to grow as well. We like to grow side by side with our realtor partners instead of just expecting you to grow our business. So if you've been wanting to grow on social media, but you've had some sort of roadblock, whether it's confidence, skill, knowledge, any of those things, go ahead and DM me and I'll tell you how to get started. But here's a few things that you can do just to get a head start. Join our Facebook group here, follow me on IG here, and if you're on TikTok, follow me here. But definitely message me so I can make sure what your goals are and we can make sure that you hit them. Let's make you your ultimate agent in 2023.